Rocks and soil. The topmost layer of the earth is made of rocks and soil. It is essential to all forms of life on the earth directly or indirectly. Rocks. All the rocks are made up of minerals. Rocks are found everywhere on the earth, under the ground, under seas and oceans. Rocks are of different kinds. Some rocks are formed when liquid minerals change into solid. These are found near the earth's surface. Deep inside the earth, some rocks change their shape to make new rocks. Some rocks are formed with small pieces of pebble, gravel, sand and clay. They are found mostly underwater. Soil. Soil is grainy material that covers most of the land. It is made of tiny bits of rocks, minerals, air, water, and decayed remains of living things called humus. Humus is dark brown or black and provides food for growing plants. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks due to the action of the sun, wind, rain, flowing water, and animals on rocks. The process of soil formation is ongoing and takes many years to form. From rock to soil. Rocks are heated by the sun and cooled by the rain again and again. The surface of rocks break down into small pieces because of repeated heating and cooling. These small pieces are carried to different places by wind or rainwater. These pieces of rocks rub against each other and break into very tiny particles. These particles get mixed with decaying plants and animals to form soil. Contents of soil. Soil contains pieces of broken rocks, minerals, moisture, saline and organic substances. Layers of soil. Topsoil. It is the uppermost layer containing loose soil. Plants grow on it. Subsoil. It lies below the top layer and contains some rock particles. It is harder than topsoil. Bedrock. It lies below the subsoil and contains rock particles and minerals. It is the hardest layer of soil. Types of soil. Soil varies in color and composition. Different places have different types of soil. There are 4 types of soil. Gravel. The big pieces of rocky soil which are similar to pebbles is called gravel. It is generally found near riverbeds and valleys. This soil contains many gaps due to the big size of the particles and cannot hold any water, but it can hold a lot of air. Sand. The soil which is made up of particles that are rough to touch and smaller than gravel is called sand. It can hold very little water as it can pass easily through the tiny gaps in it, but can hold a lot of air. It is generally found near seashores and in the desert. Clay. The soil which is made of very fine particles that stick together is called clay. This soil can hold a lot of water, but no air as there are no gaps present in between the particles. It is found in river beds. It is soft and smooth to touch. Clay is used to make toys, pots and bricks because the particles stick together. Loam. The soil which contains an equal amount of sand and clay is called loam. It can hold enough amounts of water and air. Loam soil is considered ideal for growing crops. Uses of rocks and soil. Rocks and soils are used in all types of construction site from the ancient age. We get metals like iron, aluminium, copper, etc. and other useful materials like silica and quartz from the soil. Coal, gas and petrol, which are used as fuels, are also found in the soil. Certain animals like rabbits, rats, moths, ants, earthworms, scorpions, snakes, etc. also live in the soil.